Hello everyone, welcome to the part 129 of my book number 1. Today I want to talking about in this chapter is that the sale actually start when you close the prospect. What I mean by that is you're doing very hard work, you build a funnel, you do advertising, marketing, whatever, you get the people interest into your product, into the services that you help the prospect to resolve their problem. They so committed, they like what you do, but the moment they feel a little bit of uncertain, and they worry about, does it gonna work or something, and you see it's not gonna start, it's not gonna work. The process doesn't start yet until you actually close it. What I mean is the sales start when you close, when you finish the line, and give the customer the confidence, the certainty that they will pass the line and give you, hey, I trust you, please help me to solve my problems. So that when you actually close, and it is the sales start from that, right? So when the prospect has been closed, then now you have a chance to contribute your work. You put all of your heart, all of your ability, all of your service to help the client to solve the problem. So again, the sales haven't started yet until you close the prospect. So thinking about that, deeply about that. So what you do to close that sale? If you can do it, thinking about the high ticket closer. I'm not advertising myself, but I deeply understand every aspect in my life. If you can't close, then it's actually not happening. So once again, wish you all the best, and seeing your process from the modern world, selling or doing a business, is that you can get attention from the client. But the moment they walk away, whether they accept your deal and then you close them, they pay you the amount or whatever to get that on process, and is it actually a sale? Otherwise, it's just talking, just on the paper, and it's never ever happen. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.